Hey guys. Man, I look at state today. Sorry that I forgot to vlog yesterday when I come home from work. I was tired and I was hungry, so by the time I got to bed it was like 10 o'clock. So I decided not to. But I'm back today for a vlog. I'm running myself a bath, as you can hear in the background. I got a spot coming. Oh well, I got spots coming all the time. I just read on Google that, on Instagram, that there's a renewal of Once Upon a Time, so there'll be a season 7. I think Hook is coming back, but I'm not sure on the rest. So, oh god, let's put you there. Many bras in my size, which was really sucky because they got really nice like bras and stuff in there. Well, my work. But we went to a Peacock's, like, not the Peacock's I work in, like a different Peacock's. But anyway, guys, I'm going to speak to you in a minute because my bath is actually done, so I'll speak to you. I need to do my roots. I'll speak to you later. Sorry I haven't vlogged in a while, but this is my current situation. He's been out since 2 PM. It is now 4:51 and this little birdie is still out. I can't get him in, he won't come in, and I've run out of ideas. I've tried grabbing him, but all he does is just fly up there. So if you guys have any suggestions for next time, please comment down below, because he's like this all the time. He is a little nightmare. Harley, are you actually going to get in your cage, or are you just going to sit out there? Anyone would find this funny, but it's a nightmare. He's been out since 2 PM. It's now nearly 5 o'clock. And that bird is still out. I don't know what else to suggest. I don't know what else to do. I'm gonna go try and get him in anyway, guys. I'll speak to you later. Hey guys, I managed to get Harley in his bed. He was a bit of a pain, but I managed to get him in. Excuse this bit here, I got a really bad spot. I thought I'd end the vlog now, as I'm not doing a lot now. I'm just watching Paranormal Activity and on my laptop. I'm gonna edit this video. So if you like this video, please give it a big old thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more from me. Okay guys, bye.